Now you go serious.
You're meaning to putting the foot in the mouth. Chewing on your foot? Get it all in there. When you had every toe in your mouth before, let's see it again. That's pretty well it.
Do it with the camera, so we can you show you later. When you're like, I don't want to take gymnastics, we'll be like, dude, you're very flexible. Oh, both feet, maybe. You saying hello? All right.
You rolling?
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.